Hello everyone, back again with the Hampton grayton here, and this time I'm going to be filming it with no light. So if you haven't already watched my previous video of this fan, I got this as a birthday present because I just recently turned 16. And yeah, it's 42 inches. Came new in box. It would have originally had a little plastic cap that goes in that hole, but like a dumbass, I threw that out, because why wouldn't I? Get it. Oh. Try and show you all the stickers. So this is my very first vented spinner ceiling fan. Oh, focus. Been wanting one of these for a while, a couple of years now. And yeah. My first video of this fan goes more in depth about it. After this video, I'm gonna immediately put this forearm light on it. Probably film that too. So while we still have light, here's low. Wobble's pretty good because it has no light on it right now. With its normal schoolhouse globe light kit, or really mushroom globe, it doesn't shake too bad, but it still does. And then with the forearm light kit that I have tried out on it, the weight of the glass actually prevents it from wobbling very well, so that's cool and all. But there's low. And then there's medium, already going very fast for medium speed in my opinion. I don't know if you can hear, but the bearings are kind of worn. Or not worn, but they're not doing so hot right now because they've been sitting for probably 30 years now. And I'm going to go to high speed. On high speed, this thing moves an okay amount of air. The spinning pretty fast too, which is nice. There's a Hampton base sticker, I forgot to show that. Let's go to high speed again. Just 0 to high. Because I know there are some people out there who like that. Yeah. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.